Hey guys, it's Drum Jr. In this week's video, I'm going to be reviewing the Klipsch RIC-65, which is a 6.5 two-way in-ceiling speaker. Go ahead and start out with a unboxing. After unboxing, I'm going to actually go ahead and get them installed. Have them installed in the ceiling, show you how they look. Go ahead and demo some sound. And then I'll go ahead and give you my overall review of these speakers. So let me jump right into it and get to unboxing. Alright, so I already cut the tape. So these speakers right here come in a pair. This is actually the kit that I picked up from Best Buy. Best Buy always have these about 50 to 60% of the time they're on sale, so you don't have to pay full price. So I went ahead and picked up a pair. To go ahead and use as my my rear channels and my home theater system. So pulled out the first side. As you see, it's wrapped pretty well. What it did is it used the cardboard to kind of just hold them in place with the actual grill or cover that goes over it. So let me open the first one here. So this is how it looks and how it comes packed. So it is magnetic. So let me go ahead and pull that grill off and pull the speaker out. So my first impressions of this speaker here is it actually is well built. I mean, it does have a nice size magnet on the back. The speaker terminals, it's nothing crazy. Let me go ahead and open this up and see. Yeah, it's nothing crazy, just the regular style ones. Push. Terminal leads look good. It looks like it's 14 gauge. I could be wrong. But it's pretty nice. Now, the one thing about this particular in-ceiling speaker, unlike some you see, is the basket itself is not adjustable and the tweeter is not adjustable. So that is one downfall I do see about this speaker. Because, I mean, losing that adjustability, you got to really think about where you're going to be positioning these speakers, because you can't tilt the tweeter towards your seating positioning. So the tweeter is a 1-inch, and the cone size is a 6.5. So this is it right here, guys. It's really simple. The way it works is once you start screwing here, it will fold out these little ears, and then we'll go ahead and grab to your ceiling. So let me go ahead and look and see what else is in the box. We should have a user manual and kind of like a guide that will tell you how to go ahead and go about it. And yeah, we have it here. So this is the owner's manual, and then user manual, and then this right here. So what it looks like this is right here is actually the additional cover choices. So you have an option between square and circle, so you can kind of determine what works best for you. And they are actually paintable, so if your ceiling is not white, you can also paint these speaker covers. So with that being said, what I'm going to go ahead and do is to get these bad boys installed, show you how they look installed, and we'll go from there. Alright guys, so it has been a couple days since I've got the ceiling speakers installed. Or I had them installed, so I've been living with them for a while. And this is how they look. I have them connected and plugged up as my rear channel surrounds. So here it is. As you guys see, I went with the circle grill opposed to the square. It just fit a little bit better with my room. I really actually do like how these look in the ceiling. It's nice and recessed, so you can't really see the edges or anything like that. Clean install. So they will look good in your ceiling, I must say. So guys, I was lucky enough to find some royalty-free music. So what I'm gonna go ahead and do is go ahead and do a demo. I'm gonna play a couple tracks for anyone looking to buy these can actually kind of get to hear them. You know, you're kind of limited by what you can hear through the mic. I got a pretty good mic. So what I'm gonna go ahead and do is just play these two. Probably stand right in the middle for you to guys hear them, nice and even. Maybe walk up to each one. Alright guys, you got to hear what they sound like. Tell me what you think. Put it down in the comment section. Well, let me tell you what I think of them. These speakers right here sound fantastic, I must say. Honestly, for them to be in-ceiling speakers and reach the range and the depth they're able to play is just, I'm speechless actually. I was not expecting them to sound as good as they do. Especially considering it, if you guys know, I've reviewed a ton of Klipsch speakers. Like, you know, the towers, I've had series of different bookshelf speakers. And I gotta say, like, these guys, wow, they sound good. The highs are crisp and clear. Vocals are nice. They're very musical. They do it all. They definitely Klipsch quality. Just because they're in the ceiling, don't think quality is diminished. What you can expect from Klipsch in their full standing bookshelves and floor speakers, you can definitely hear it in there. Like, it is just so rich. It's not as bright as you would think, considering how Klipsch is known for their brightness. It's really balanced. It definitely has a nice mid bass, and then what's very impressive is if you guys were to just run these two, you can do it. And it's loud enough to fill a room, and my living room is pretty big, and I think I'm gonna put the inserts, but I was standing over here and just, like, you know, and you can hear them loud and clear. So I definitely would recommend these if you are looking for, you know, ceiling speakers. I recommend these. They go good with a subwoofer, as you guys hear. I did do it in a clip every now and then for you guys to kind of get to see what it sounds like, but it definitely can handle a sub. It can handle 2, shoot, actually, if you really wanted to. So I really do like these. They work for rear surrounds. They will work for running as stereo pair. They just work. And I am using them as, you know, home theater use, and they sound fantastic running as back channels. But yeah, guys, that pretty much wraps up my review of them. If you guys have any questions or anything, definitely go ahead and leave it down below in the comment section. Pretty good at getting to them. And if you don't know, I have reviewed a ton of different Klipsch products, so definitely go ahead to the channel. I'm gonna go ahead and put some down, also the links below in the description. Well, like always, guys, Drum Junior out.